Hi everyone, you're welcome to my channel. On today's cooking, we are going to be making Suya Pasta Alfredo. If you would like to learn how this is made, then stay tuned. For the ingredients, I use heavy cream, some cheese. This is Parmesan cheese. I use some chicken thighs. You can use chicken breast if that is your preference. I also use some onions, ginger, garlic, and some butter. I also have some dried parsley and of course the most important ingredient in this recipe, which is the suya mix. This is going to give it a very different taste from the regular Alfredo pasta. All the ingredients used will be listed out in the description box below. I will be seasoning my chicken thighs with some bouillon, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some chili flakes, some allspice, and of course my Suya Spice and a little salt. Now I will add my olive oil. I will combine all the ingredients together and marinate my chicken for 30 minutes to an hour. While the chicken is marinating, I will prepare the pasta. By doing this, I will boil some hot water. I added a little salt. I added my pasta, and I'm going to cook this according to the package instructions. At this point, the chicken is marinated, so I will fry this on both sides till it is brown. I will take it out and set it aside. In another pan, I will add some butter, onions, ginger, and garlic. I will combine this together. Next, I will add my heavy cream. If you don't have heavy cream, you can use coconut milk or even regular milk. To season, I will add some allspice, chili flakes, some bouillon powder, and of course, some Suya Spice. I will combine all this together. If you have watched up till this point, it means that you probably like what you see. Please subscribe to my channel, like, and share my videos. At this point, I will add my Parmesan cheese and I would add back the cooked pasta. After adding back my pasta, I will add the chicken suya. I will top it up with a little salt and combining it all together. Cook for 2 to 3 more minutes and this Suya Pasta Alfredo is ready. Guys, this is your go-to recipe, especially if you like suya, the taste of suya, and you also like Alfredo pasta. Here I added some bacon bits because I wanted a little taste of bacon in the recipe, and I topped it off with heavy cream and some dried parsley. I'm combining this together and this meal is ready to be eaten. Thank you so much for watching and please stay tuned for more recipes.